Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav on this 2016 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, we're just on the media at the moment. You've got nav here, which is the bottom right one. That brings up the full display there. And then if you knock it across, if you knock the iDrive across, it highlights these symbols at the side. But if you knock it across again, you've then got the menu, and we want destination input. And you've got destination input, recent destinations, points of interest, and address book, and so on. But we want destination input, and we select by just clicking the iDrive. And then easiest thing to do is the postcode. So turn the iDrive, highlight the postcode, click on the postcode, and then we've got this rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to the numbers. The numbers are down here. So that's under further. Hang on, we'll do that again. And just click back. Down to the further characters, click on further characters, click 5. Sorry, you don't have to click 5. Click whatever your postcode is. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. OK is in the centre there, so if I click OK, it's asking me for a street, but I don't want to put a street in. That's close enough for me. So I just turn the rotary control down to start guidance and click. It's given me 3 choices there. They're all the same. Click on one of them.
Please make a U-turn if possible, and then immediately turn into the second street on the right.
It's asking me to make a U-turn. I'm sat on the forecourt of the garage, which is where we want to go to, so I've confused it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, you've got telephone there, or you've got menu. If we click on menu, we can go to telephone, click on telephone, and you've got Bluetooth devices here. Scroll down to Bluetooth devices, click on Bluetooth devices, and then you've got Bluetooth add new device. Now if you're struggling to pair a mobile, always make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth, so you can do the same thing. But here we're onto Bluetooth, we're onto Barry's iPhone, and there's a little thing at the side there. If we knock it sideways, you've then got the option to go onto the split screen, switch off control, configure device, or remove device, and that's what we want. We want to remove a device. It's a bit confusing. Click remove device, that's it, my phone's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Now we can either go to menu or telephone. If we click telephone there, that brings up the screen. You've got Bluetooth menu, searching for connected devices, connect further devices in Bluetooth menu. Right, so Bluetooth menu. And here we go. You can either connect one that's already in the memory or add new device. We want to add a new device. BMW 21535 has already showed up. It's telling us that's the one there. Please use your Bluetooth devices. Start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as. So we'll click on that. Here we go. Pair 418241. Compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device, 418241. Click OK and click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's just find where it's gone to on. It's right at the top there, and it's saying BMW 21535 connected. And here we go. We've got it connected for telephone and Bluetooth audio. You can untick either of those. Just connect it as an audio device or telephone, but we want both, so accept and connect. And you see there, it's connected. My phone's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 3 Series. Right, from any screen basically, if you go to whatever you're listening to, if you go to music there, you'll see at the bottom there BMW. If I click that, so 3 red circles and a triangle, it's showing there's a tick next to BMW 21535. That's this device. So whatever we play through here, so long as you've got it set up right here, the audio will come through, whether it be a YouTube soundtrack, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, iTunes, whatever, the audio will play through here, through the car. So we now go to media. Now at the moment, media is set up for disc. So what we have to do with the iDrive, if you click to the left, it then brings up a different menu. And we've got music collection, external devices and sound. So we go to external devices. Again, it's not really intuitive, this system. Brings up another menu. Then we've got auxiliary front, Barry's iPhone or another phone, John's phone that's connected. And I want my phone, so I click my phone, there you go. And that's, if I go back there, that's what's playing. It will also play if you've got any audio books, which is what I listen to mostly. We'll click that, click play. And there you go, it's took its time, but it's changed over and it's just showing what's playing on my phone. That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.